Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach. Today, we are visiting all things historic St. Andrews. I'm so excited.
That's right. We are going to let you take a sneak peek of some of our favorite places to eat, shop, and play.
All right, first up, Finn's and a little village. Let's go.
Yes! Hey there, we're over here overlooking Lake Ware in historic St. Andrews at Finn's, one of our favorite places.
Absolutely,
Little
yes.
Village, they call it too.
Yep, so Finn's, we can eat at Little Village, we can shop, we can play. That's what's so great about this.
They have events over here. They have a reputation for being very friendly to creatives.
Yes.
So if you're a creative soul and you want to listen to live music, you want to check out local art and jewelry and their cute little gift shop, or they also have really amazing pie.
Oh.
On top of the tacos, like the desserts are delicious.
I need to check that out. I didn't know.
Yes, sangria, whatever you need, they have it here. What is one of your favorite things?
Always live music. Mm-hmm. I love to be outdoors, sitting here eating with the people I love and just enjoying the music.
So I love that you mentioned live music. St. Andrews to me it has just got this artsy vibe. There's a local podcast, St. Andrews Jezebel podcast.
Oh, yep.
And it tells the stories of the different people in the area and shares about the things going on, like live music, like the art festivals. There's things going on at the tap room, comedy events, music, Bergen Barrel, the library.
Yes. We have the Mardi Gras here every
year.
Oh
my goodness,
Historic
that's
St.
huge.
Andrews. Yep, you've got the dog parade, the kids parade, and of course the big blowout parade.
They have so many cool events here. So whether you're into art, music, they have everything. And I love that you mentioned the dog parade, because one of the things that we love about St. Andrews is it's very pet friendly.
Absolutely.
Don't they vote on like a dog mayor?
Yes.
Or something?
It's perfect.
They have like a whole thing.
Absolutely.
It's crazy. So you can bring your pet pretty much into any shop. So like we brought our little dog Pineapple into the ice cream shop, the Sweet Feed, and they have like these little ice cream cones for them.
Even the salon has his little pets in there, but also water bowls for ours as we go visit.
That is so nice. A lot of the other shops do the same thing.
Absolutely.
We go into Native Spirit, which is a great, just local gem of a place.
It is.
Ben Ligon, the owner, he knows all the local history and facts, can tell you everything from Native American history to anything you can imagine. Lots of really cool gift items in there. And then there's a little store over there next to it called Gypsy Life Creations. And they have art classes there as well.
Well, and at Floriopolis, you've got art classes. And then you've got sun jammers. That's another amazing thing about St. Andrews is we're right on the water. So when we get into sun jammers, we can check out kayaks, shoes, sunglasses, paddle boards, everything for outdoor lifestyle. It's just perfect. And then you can skip on down to Oaks by the Bay. You can walk the dog there, just go hit the water. I mean, everything's just right here in amazing historic St. Andrews.
It is a one-step shop. And I love that you mentioned Oaks by the Bay, because they have free yoga classes from time to time in the evening. You want to make sure you check out the St. Andrews schedule for that. They have the farmers market on Saturdays. There is always something going on around St. Andrews.
And not to mention just the basic restaurants, starting here with Finn's, and then Los Antojitos is right behind us. And you've got, we already mentioned the tap room, but
the captain's table,
the Hunt's Oyster Bar.
Yes.
All of them. You guys.
You have
Ernie's. We know Uncle Ernie's is one of the faves, and Alice's on Bayview. I mean, you've got everything you need right here to hang out for the weekend.
Do you tend to recommend St. Andrews when you want to give people a taste of the area?
I do. I absolutely do, because it encompasses everything. Every bit of the coastal lifestyles right here.
And the cool thing about it is, in addition to visiting places like Native Spirit and checking out our farmers market, you can also get a taste of some of our history by visiting the Publishing Museum, which is also in St. Andrews. So that's a really fun thing, and they actually have tours there. And if you're interested, and if you want to know about some of these events, you can also check out Destination Panama City, and they always list the different events, parades, happenings over on their Destination Panama City calendar.
So for more information, look in the description below. Check it out. I'm going to put the links of many of the places that are here so that you can find your favorite spot.
And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals or our favorite hotspots.
That's right.